The Tesla Model Y 2025 is shaking up the electric vehicle market in ways few expected. For those who follow the EV world, it's hard not to get excited about the rumors, fan-made renders, and even prototypes spotted during testing. It seems Tesla is ready to take another leap in design and technology. And there's more. Tesla China is already gearing up at Giga Shanghai, one of the brand's most efficient factories, to be the starting point for this highly anticipated launch. What could be driving all this activity? Fan-made renders have caused a stir, showcasing a futuristic and aerodynamic Model Y design. The combination of bolder lines and innovative elements gives a glimpse of how Tesla is reshaping its best-selling SUV. But while these images fuel the imagination, it's on the streets of California that the real prototypes are being tested. It's intriguing to wonder what adjustments are being made behind the scenes, or rather, under the camouflage hiding the details. Giga Shanghai, a true fortress of innovation and efficiency, is today the beating heart of Tesla's production. It's no wonder this factory is considered one of the company's greatest strategic assets. With a production capacity exceeding 1.1 million units annually, it outperforms every other Tesla facility worldwide. And the secret behind this success? An incredibly advanced manufacturing process, optimized logistics, and a localization rate of over 95%, which significantly reduces production costs. This enables Tesla to offer competitive pricing both in the Chinese market and internationally. Inside the factory, the production technology stands out. The Giga Press, for instance, has revolutionized how vehicles are manufactured. This giant machine can create large structural components, such as the rear underbody of the Model Y, in a single mold. This eliminates the need to weld or assemble dozens of smaller parts, drastically simplifying the assembly process. For perspective, while traditional methods require several hours of work, the Giga Press can complete a single part in about 90 seconds. It's impressive how this innovation not only accelerates production, but also improves the overall quality of the vehicle. Moreover, Giga Shanghai benefits from its strategic proximity to local suppliers. This not only facilitates the supply of parts, but also helps Tesla maintain flexibility to implement design adjustments or introduce new technologies quickly. This responsiveness is crucial in a dynamic market like that of electric vehicles. In fact, this privileged location is one of the key factors allowing Tesla to maintain its leadership in a sector where innovation is constant. Another interesting point is how Tesla uses Giga Shanghai as a testing ground for new ideas and processes. Models coming out of this factory often reach the Chinese market first, serving as a litmus test for public acceptance and real-world performance. This was evident with the Model 3 Highland, which saw a rapid and efficient production following its announcement. It's fascinating to think about how the Chinese market, with its demanding consumers and fierce competition, helps Tesla refine its products before launching them globally. The importance of Giga Shanghai is also reflected in its impressive sales figures. In October 2024 alone, for example, over 68,000 vehicles were delivered in China. This volume not only demonstrates the factory's capacity, but also reinforces how much the local market trusts the Tesla brand. With the production of the Model Y 2025 already underway, it's clear Tesla is heavily relying on this unit to maintain its leadership in the electric vehicle market. The impact of the Giga Press goes beyond production efficiency. It also reflects a design philosophy that prioritizes simplicity and functionality. Creating larger components in a single piece reduces failure points, improves vehicle durability, and even enhances structural safety. These benefits, combined with reduced costs, make the Model Y an even more attractive proposition, especially in highly competitive markets like Asia. Giga Shanghai is not just an efficient factory, it's also a vital logistics hub for Tesla's global success. This facility plays a dual role. meeting the growing domestic demand in China while also serving international markets. In October 2024, for instance, the factory's impressive production output enabled Tesla to deliver over 68,000 units domestically and export thousands to regions like Europe and Asia Pacific. This ability to serve multiple markets simultaneously cements Giga Shanghai as one of the key pillars of Tesla's global strategy. The decision to launch the Model Y 2025 in China makes perfect sense when considering the importance of this market. The country is not only the largest consumer of electric vehicles in the world, but also a highly competitive battleground. Having a model that meets the demands of Chinese consumers, who value cutting-edge technology and sophisticated design, is a strategic move. Additionally, the initial launch in the Chinese market acts as a robust test before expanding to other markets, allowing for adjustments based on feedback from early adopters. Another factor that reinforces this strategy is logistical efficiency. Giga Shanghai's proximity to ports and a well-developed local supply chain allows Tesla to move its vehicles quickly, both to meet domestic demand and to ship products abroad. This logistical speed also translates into cost savings, as reduced transportation times mean lower operational costs. All of this results in more competitive prices for the end consumer, which is crucial in markets where Tesla faces strong local competitors. Giga Shanghai's high efficiency is directly linked to its ability to rapidly scale the production of new models. The most recent example was the Model 3 Highland, which moved from assembly to delivery in record time. This track record of agility creates positive expectations for the Model Y 2025. With production already ramping up, it's possible the new model will be available sooner than many anticipate, further increasing public curiosity and enthusiasm. In addition to meeting demand, Giga Shanghai also plays an important role in exporting innovation. Technologies tested and approved at this facility often become global standards for Tesla. This includes advancements in batteries, charging systems, and even assembly processes. It's no exaggeration to say that Giga Shanghai is shaping the future of the electric automotive industry on a global scale, and the Model Y 2025 will be one of the main ambassadors of this impact. The growing demand for electric vehicles in China also places Giga Shanghai in a prominent position. Between January and November 2024, more than 1.2 million Model Ys were sold globally, with a significant portion of those sales coming from the Chinese market. This success not only reflects the factory's efficiency, but also how well the Model Y aligns with the expectations of modern consumers. The new model, with its planned updates, is set to further expand its reach. With the Model Y Juniper, the internal project name for the Model Y 2025, Tesla aims to exceed expectations. Updates such as improved aerodynamics, new safety features, and greater range are some of the changes expected to attract new customers and strengthen the existing customer base. And Giga Shanghai, with its impressive production capacity, is perfectly positioned to meet the high demand that will inevitably come with this launch. The Model Y is undoubtedly the star of Tesla's sales, and the numbers don't lie. With over 1.2 million units delivered globally in 2023, it is already one of the most popular electric SUVs in history. But Tesla isn't content to rest on its current success. The Model Y 2025, with its promising updates, is set to take this milestone even further. This new version is expected to boost sales, reinforcing the model's dominance in the market and helping Tesla achieve its ambitious goal of producing 20 million vehicles annually by 2030. Part of the Model Y's success can be attributed to its balance of price, performance, and technology. It manages to offer a premium experience without reaching unattainable prices for the average consumer. This, combined with Tesla's constant evolution, creates a product that's hard to ignore. Now, with the Model Y 2025, The promise is to deliver an even more appealing vehicle. What's coming next? More range? New autonomous driving features? Perhaps even faster charging technology? It's almost as if Tesla is challenging itself to outdo its own achievements. The Chinese market plays an essential role in this strategy. It is the largest electric vehicle market in the world, and Tesla knows that succeeding there means securing a solid global future. In 2024 alone, over 70% of Tesla's deliveries in China were Model Y vehicles, demonstrating how perfectly it fits the demands of this audience. With a new model on the way, there is no doubt that Tesla aims to strengthen its leadership even further. Moreover, competition in China is fierce, with local manufacturers heavily investing in innovation. The Model Y 2025 needs to impress, and Tesla appears ready for the challenge. One of the biggest bets for the continued success of the Model Y is its aerodynamic update. The current drag coefficient of the model is 0.23, already excellent for an SUV, but rumors suggest that the new design could reduce this number even further, increasing energy efficiency and, consequently, range. This improvement could be decisive for consumers seeking vehicles with greater range, especially in markets like China, where charging infrastructure is still expanding in some regions. Another aspect likely to boost the Model Y 2025 is the adoption of new safety technologies. Tesla has been investing in advanced systems such as Tesla Vision and Autopilot, which offer driver assistance features and make driving safer and more comfortable. The new model will likely bring enhancements in these areas, meeting the expectations of a public increasingly demanding about vehicle safety. It's fascinating to think about how Tesla continues to redefine what it means to drive an electric car. Production at Giga Shanghai will be crucial to meet the demand for this new model, especially in Asia, where interest in electric SUVs continues to grow. The factory has already demonstrated its ability to handle production peaks, as seen with the Model 3 Highland, which was launched quickly and efficiently. This agility allows Tesla to serve the Chinese market while maintaining exports to other countries, ensuring a continuous flow of sales and global expansion. With the success of the Model Y 2025 in China, Tesla hopes to establish a standard that can be replicated in other regions. Introducing the model to the Chinese market acts as a large-scale test. Lessons learned there, whether in design, technology, or marketing, are quickly applied to markets like Europe and North America. This positions the Model Y not just as a product, but as a global strategy to solidify Tesla's position at the top. Before any new launch, Tesla puts its prototypes to the test, and the Model Y 2025 is no exception. In recent months, the updated SUV has been spotted several times in strategic locations like Silicon Valley and Santa Clara, both known as intensive testing hubs for the company. These areas were not chosen randomly. They offer varied scenarios, from chaotic urban traffic to quieter highways, allowing Tesla to analyze the car's performance in different real-world conditions. And of course, each sighting only increases curiosity about what's coming next. Testing is not just about driving the car in various conditions. It's also an opportunity to evaluate the impact of new features. For instance, rumors suggest that the Model Y 2025 could debut an improved version of Matrix LED headlights, a technology capable of adjusting the light beam in real time to avoid dazzling other drivers while illuminating the road more efficiently. Seeing it in action during these tests is a reminder of how Tesla aims to combine functionality with aesthetic innovation. Another intriguing aspect observed during testing is the possible adoption of aerodynamic improvements in the design. Even camouflaged adjustments to the body suggest a more aggressive approach to reducing drag. These seemingly subtle details could make a significant difference in the vehicle's range, especially at higher speeds. It's exciting to think about how these refinements could impact the consumer experience, both in terms of efficiency and performance. The proximity of these testing locations to Tesla's headquarters in Palo Alto and the Fremont factory also facilitates quick adjustments. If something doesn't go as planned, engineers and designers can work on solutions immediately, ensuring the final product is flawless before reaching consumers. This agile feedback and improvement cycle is one of Tesla's trademarks and contributes to its reputation as a leader in automotive innovation. Beyond testing hardware, these highways and urban areas are also perfect for refining software. Autopilot, for instance, undergoes constant updates, and real-world testing is crucial to ensure it operates smoothly and safely. From detecting pedestrians to responding to unexpected traffic situations, everything is analyzed and adjusted. This reinforces the idea that when buying a Tesla, the consumer is acquiring not just a car, but a constantly evolving system. Spotting Model Y 2025 prototypes in action also fuels speculation about other potential features. Could the model include a battery upgrade for greater range? Or perhaps a faster and more efficient charging system? While Tesla maintains suspense, each appearance of the vehicle during testing makes us imagine how these innovations could redefine the electric SUV market. It's like watching a mystery film where each scene reveals new clues. The testing location is also significant. Santa Clara, for instance, is known as a region where Tesla conducts final adjustments before launches. This indicates that the Model Y 2025 is getting closer to its final version. History shows that previous Tesla models, which underwent intensive testing in this area, entered the market with an exceptional level of refinement. This only heightens expectations that the new Model Y will follow the same path. With each sighting of the Model Y 2025, it becomes clear that Tesla is treating this launch with the utmost care. It's not just another car. It represents the next generation of electric vehicles. And while the public continues to speculate about the details, one thing is certain. When the Model Y 2025 finally hits the streets, it will be more than ready to meet, and perhaps exceed, the high expectations surrounding it. The journey to refine the Model Y 2025 doesn't end with road tests. It also depends on flawless collaboration between internal teams and external suppliers. Tesla, known for its vertically integrated approach, works with a dynamic feedback model that directly connects engineers, designers, and component manufacturers. This means that any necessary adjustments to the design or performance can be implemented quickly, ensuring the final vehicle aligns with the brand's high standards. Suppliers play a crucial role in this process. They are not just ordinary parts providers. Many collaborate directly in developing specific technologies for Tesla's vehicles. For example, rumors about the possible adoption of more efficient and durable batteries in the Model Y 2025 suggest that strategic partnerships are being explored to bring a more advanced product to market. This type of cooperation not only accelerates innovation, but also reduces costs and development time. One reason Tesla maintains this level of efficiency is the physical proximity between its factories, research centers, and some of its most important suppliers. In the case of Giga Shanghai, this synergy is even more evident, as the majority of the vehicle's components are manufactured in China itself, with a localization rate exceeding 95%. This means nearly all parts are produced in the same country, reducing the impact of logistical delays and facilitating immediate updates to the production process. Another interesting point is how Tesla uses technology to integrate its development and production processes. Engineering teams utilize advanced simulations and artificial intelligence to predict the impact of changes in design or component functionality. This data is shared in real time with suppliers, creating a continuous flow of information that ensures everyone is on the same page. It's as if the development of the Model Y 2025 were a perfectly synchronized dance between innovation and execution. Fast feedback cycles are one of Tesla's greatest competitive advantages. For instance, if a test in Santa Clara reveals a flaw or an opportunity for improvement, this information is immediately relayed to the responsible engineers, who can adjust the project in record time. This not only accelerates the development process, but also minimizes the risk of issues post-launch, a challenge Tesla has faced with previous models. This agility is also reflected in Tesla's ability to adjust production according to market demands. The Model Y 2025, with all its innovations, will undoubtedly generate significant consumer interest. To meet this demand, Tesla relies on its global network of factories, particularly Giga Shanghai, which is one of the main production hubs. The ability to quickly expand or adjust production ensures the company can maximize profits while maintaining delivery timelines. Another benefit of this structured approach is the ability to test and implement experimental technologies in the earlier stages of development. If a supplier presents a new solution for energy efficiency or a lighter, stronger material, Tesla has the flexibility to integrate it into the project, even in advanced stages. This reinforces the idea that the Model Y 2025 will not just be an evolution, but a true leap forward from the previous model. With all this effort focused on perfecting the Model Y 2025, it's clear that Tesla is not just launching a car, but setting a new standard for the electric automotive industry. Every step of the development process, from strategic partnerships to final testing, demonstrates the company's commitment to delivering a product that meets, and perhaps even exceeds, the expectations of an increasingly demanding audience. And if there's one thing Tesla's history teaches us, it's that they rarely disappoint.